Hey guys, this is Alicia, and today I'm doing a how-to tutorial for getting your hair really soft and shiny. Let me just brush it out really quick so you guys can see. Yeah, this really works. It's really inexpensive too, kind of. If you consider €6.30 inexpensive. So yeah, I really like it. It's really good. And I will probably have it for a while too. If not, I will keep buying more. I do not know how to pronounce that. SYOSS. Yeah. It's called Beauty Elixir. It's for your hair. Absolute oil. Yeah. Anyway, as you can see, makes your hair really shiny and soft. So if you guys want to give it a try, that'd be really awesome. Yeah, if you live in Greece or anywhere in Europe, it will be €6.30. Well, at least in Greece it was. Yeah, so it's this. Basically, you just put it on your hand and put it on your hair. So I love it very much. It's definitely something I'll be using for a while. So yeah, if you guys could comment and tell me if you've used it or if you want to try it, that'd be really awesome. And please check out my other videos of me singing. So yeah, bye.